look ugly, that should make you look beautiful.
Se te hide todos los pimples y toda la vaina.
Come here.
Do an interview, bro.
Alright, look, so what do you want, gay son or thought daughter?
Wanna lie again?
Nigga said thought daughter.
Bro, this nigga came to my house at like 12 and it's like 1 now, but say I want to go to the city. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna go with them, make a video, and that's what I'm about to do right now. So, about to go get gas, head to the city, maybe do some cutting up for y'all. So stay tuned for that. Your boy gotta be up in a couple hours, but hey, gotta do what you gotta do for you guys, man. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into the video.
Stop my way.
Ooh. Got it.
Oh,
Diablo. Niggas on a roller coaster. That shit was some shit. I thought I was about to start flying, bro.
Wait, so I thought we're going to that side right there. We got side. Tengo que Fendi.
Sorry.
Tengo competencia para ti, Fendi. 140i.
That's the bum shit I was talking about. That shit's annoying.
I will never race someone here again.
Eh?
I will never race someone here again.
Bro, that's the shit. That shit could make you lose control type shit.
Time is going fast, bro. Oh, ya sacó mi corazón, papi. I was from the middle of the city.
Hello, ¿qué loco? Nigga, you was wildin', nigga. ¿Tú por qué no conoces ese highway? That's why I didn't go as fast, because I know how that bumpy shit like that. You wildin'. Tiene que haber, oh, the bar's about to close a las 2, que hicieron para todos lados on Thursdays, I think.
Is John Jay here?
No. Is it?
Yeah.
¿Qué es lo que dice ahí?
It says John Jay.
Oh, so yeah. Ah, pues ahí entonces. Oh, yeah, it says ahí arriba, the college criminal injustice shit.
Well, I was going to school just for.
Ya la policía ahí buscando gente, coño. Wake up, New York City.
Es un Mercedes, ¿cómo que es?
That's a freaking Maybach, bro. It's una grasa, bro.
But it's like, it comes like a Mercedes.
Yeah, it's a Mercedes. It is. It's a Mercedes shit. The Maybach, though.
It's a big body.
Hell yeah.
Some
Josh, that shit's huge, bro. Look at that shit. It's not limousina, mini limousina, bro.
That's crazy. I'm from New York, bro.
Nigga don't leave the Bronx.
Word to my from the Bronx to the Bronx.
I know, bro. I know how it be.
Down, bro. I'm about to go to Jersey soon.
Jersey?
Yeah.
Hello, ¿qué loco?
Yo, ¿qué YouTube?
Hello.
We outside.
Or... Yo, chequea cómo que se hace.
It just slides. Chequea. Wait, let me get it wrong.
Stuff. Yo, it's beautiful.
Nigga, a la noche, bro. That shit nice, bro. At night, that shit nice. ¿Eh? Es mentira. God damn, these bumps is crazy. Seems like there's a cop behind me too. Then he definitely see me do it though, cause he was behind us. But
Probably like your car.
all day, we're in Times Square, easy. Oh, we definitely came the wrong way. Oh, what the fuck? Where are we going right now? I'm just following this nigga, bro. La city that never sleeps, bro.
Way too much.
Nigga, a cualquier hora, bro, aquí hay gente, bro.
Nah, niggas be weird, bro.
Niggas be looking, right?
Yeah, bro. I hate when niggas looking at me, bro. That's why I wear my schema. Se te quedan así, bro. Like,
Staring, nigga. That's why I always pull up with my windows up, bro, cause niggas can't see shit when I have my... Yeah, I know. What are we right now, bro? I don't know what. Yeah, we were supposed to turn left like mad long ago.
you got a dump on a straight pipe?
No, I don't have a straight pipe. I just have a down pipe
That's it.
and a rest delete. Lo único que están afuera a esta hora son la gente con cuarto. Los pobres están en su casa acostados, como ya no se trabaja.
Yo tengo que ir a mi casa entonces a botar.
Y me too. Y mira dónde estoy.
Pero vaina.
Ese nigga con ese gorrito. How the fuck you going, nigga?
Suda, bro.
Damn. Ese flow. Mira esto loco, bro. Esta gente son locos, bro.
Bobby, wake up, Bobby.
Estado, niggas are sleeping, bro.
Even more than this shit don't work. And he got his own company too. So.
Yeah, I know a couple of people that do that. That they drive los camiones. Se busca su cuarto, sí.
Yeah, nigga, bro.
Yeah.
See, bro, if you have your own truck, yo, tú te vas a buscar para tu bolsillo. Como 5, 6. If you do steady state.
My boy, his cousin, he owns 3 trucks. He don't even work no more. He just has drivers.
That's slow.
Yeah, he just has drivers.
Right now I'm 22, but I'm about to be 23 by the summertime. Yeah, bro, cuando yo tenga mis 30 years old, bro, I have my own crib. Y gente que trabaja para mí.
Yeah, that's the mindset you gotta have, bro.
That's my mindset.
You work, you know, grind it out for a year, so you can buy another truck, rent that shit out. That's how he did it. He got his first truck. He worked for like 6 months, crazy, so he can save up for another truck, bought a second truck, and con esa truck bought another truck. Y así, loco. Now he don't even work, bro. Él va a chequear los camiones. I went with him one time. He live in North Carolina, though. Yeah.
So, boy said, don't do a fuck about them.
Nigga, them cops don't go. Them, that's what they don't importa, bro. They know niggas be coming over here and doing this shit all the time. You wanna know where we at? We outside. Oh, look at this shit. Look at that AMG coming up right now. Ahorita va a llegar la policía, no. That nigga's in the corner right now.
Actually, another car, they're about to start a car meet.
Yeah, nigga, but ahí vienen otra vez. Oh my god, they coming. Oh, they coming again, bro. Now we gotta. Yo, he said we could put it right there, though, right? He said we can go right there.
Yo, New York City shit, bro.
What?
Nah, it's mad weird people in New York City. Where am I? Damn, bro.
We in New York fucking city. Yo, say what's up. Say what's up to
Yo,
them.
peace, y'all. Yo, peace. Welcome to New York City.
Yes, sir.
We run New York. Peace, King. Yo, peace, Queen. Reggie.